Did you know that you can set a lock code on your Nintendo Switch 2? This way, when you will turn it on, you will have to input a password. For example, this one. If you want to do it, you will need to go down here on System Settings. Then go down at the very last option into Settings, and you will find the option just right here, Console Lock. Now if I want to disable it, I need to input my password, and then it's disabled. But if you want to enable it, you select it, then you will have to input the password. You can input numbers from 1 to 8 using both joystick, like that, and you can use the X and Y for 0 and 9. So for example, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, set it again just to confirm. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then the setup is complete. So, I hope this was helpful.